How to download Cash App in South Africa. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so all that you have to do is just open your Play Store just like this one, and then at the search bar just type in Cash App. Okay, so type in just like this one, Cash App, and when it comes just like this one, as you can see, Cash App is here. All that you have to do is just press on the install button for it to install. As for me, I have already installed it. That is why it is showing update. Okay, so when you finish installing it, the next thing you have to do is to simply go and then open the app. So I'm opening the app for you to see how it looks like. Okay, so maybe you might not see it from your Play Store. When you go and then you type in Cash App, it might not show. Don't worry, the reason why Cash App did not show from your Play Store in South Africa is because Cash App is currently not available in South Africa. It's available only in the United States and the UK. Okay, so for you to get the Cash App, you have to switch your IP address to the US or the UK. Okay, so if you don't know how to do it, I'm having a link down in the video description. I just want you to click on it and then watch it and see how to use VPN to switch your IP address to the US, and then when you search for it, it will come. Okay, so after doing it, all that you have to do is just open the Cash App, and as you can see, it has opened successfully without any difficulty here in South Africa. Just like the video and then see you in my next video.